guys. Good afternoon. I'll just walking around for how many minutes before I'll buy drinks and I'm gonna stay in the fire exit stairs while waiting for my alaga. Because I won't be able to go walking every Saturday because very hot temperature already. It's hard to walk. See? That's the city season in my back. City season hotel is in my back. Just want to walk for a while before I go back and buy drinks. Oh, it's hot in the other side. This side is hot because the sun is coming inside. See you. Mr. Coffee. Oh, there is bacala there. I can buy some the bacala. Or no need the bacala that I need. I don't need to cross the road. Ah, very hot. I just want to walk around the how many buildings this? I think it's a 4 building. When I finish walking around in the 4 building, I need to go to the fire exit to stay there while waiting for 2 hours. Bye guys.